Hello folks, welcome to the channel Jose. Today we're going to give you an idea how we lower this golf cart from this truck without using ramps made for this. So all we need is just to have a surface where it's a little higher than just ground, and then that way we can back that truck into it, and then we're going to make this cart roll out of the truck without even falling. And we're going to show you how you can make ramps for this that they're not made for that purpose. So with that, let's jump right into it. So to start, we have a two 2x4s lined up, one in each wheel, and it's coming down to the surface on the ground. But now if we just roll that cart into it, it's gonna push the wood off and it's gonna slide, and the cart can fall right into the tailgate. To avoid that, we have made a low point where it slides right into it, so it's a stop in each side. And then to avoid this 2x4s lifting as the weight of the car rides right on that, we're gonna put one concrete block in each one, so that's gonna be the counterweight while that cart rolls in top of that 2x4. So once it rolls on and the 2x4s are over here with the blocks, it's gonna keep it down and it's not gonna slide away, so your cart is not gonna fall into the tailgate. So now with that said, we'll put the 2x4s line up in the front, same distance on the back, so it just rides and slides back, and then we'll put those blocks, and then we'll show you how easy it is to roll it back. So now the weight of the car is on the half of it is on top of the 2x4s. So what we can do is, now that this car is two wheels on top of those blocks, or on top of the wood, we can remove those two blocks that were doing the counterweight for initial transition. So now the car can roll all the way back, and those front wheels can get on the wood, and then we can slide it off the truck. Then we can drop the wood from the truck. So this is our ramps method to offload this. So now we have pushed the cart far as back as we could. So the blocks, we put them right by the wheels because we're gonna pull the truck forward and let those woods off the tailgate, but we don't want to drop it down completely. So because we still need more space, but we don't have the space, so we're gonna make this our level point with those blocks. So we'll pull the truck forward now. So there it is, it's just sitting on those blocks. So now we can just remove those woods, and we can start driving the golf cart. So that was just to bring the golf cart down from the truck without dropping it when you don't have ramps. So you just find a higher level, and the blocks, we put them underneath at this point so it wouldn't drop, the wood wouldn't drop in and damage something on the golf cart. Well, this is how we offload this golf cart from our truck, by using a high ground with two woods and just stuff that we have around the house when we don't have ramps. So you just gotta improvise. Take your time when you're doing something like this as well. So that wood cannot be too skinny because it might break when you're rolling the weight of the cart over it. So you want to make sure that you use something thicker as well, heavy duty, that is going to hold that weight of the equipment if you're doing something heavier. So with that said, folks, for friends who are watching our video, haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal, El Chano Jose.